Good. Please tell me what is the degree you studied.
I've completed Masters in Chemistry,
You are from which place in Kerala?
Trichur district.
Good. Trishur is known for what?
Trichur is known as the cultural capital of Kerala. It houses various cultural and traditional aspects. It is famous for its Sahitya Academy for literature, for music, and various other cultural aspects also. And also, it houses the famous churches, temples, and mosques. For example, the church which is called New Church or Puttanpalli, which is the third tallest church in Asia, and also the famous temple.
What is your awareness regarding social websites? Hello?
Sorry, sir, like in what aspects, sir?
I don't
Social
know.
websites, social media.
Social media, yeah.
Yes, sir. So, social medias recently have been very useful in various aspects regarding to letting knowing people with the current knowledge, and whatever is recently happening can be very easily uh, availed through these social media. But at the same time, there has been a lot of misuse with the same. A lot of time has been spent on various social medias. So if you taken care properly, we can take it as we can use it in a proper manner.
What is a fintech company? And in which
Right.
fintech company Federal Bank has a collaboration?
I do
What
not know, sir.
what is a what is fintech company, and
I do not know, sir.
in which fintech company our Federal Bank has got relationship? Here, Federal Bank website gives fintech partnerships.
Okay, sir. I will check that, sir.
Fintech partnerships. It tells about key features and what are the companies with which they are having dealings and all. Our partners. This is what this question I have not been asking, but now it is time for me to ask. Here, FI, a banking experience for digital natives. FI Money. Are you seeing on the screen? FI
Yes, sir. I
Money,
can see.
FI Money, Jupiter Money, then www.dgv.in, Digivriddhi, then Sabka Barem. You should read about all these things individually and get to know what it is.
Okay, sir.
Thank
I'll go
you.
through that.
Yeah, thank you. Now, next question for you is based on this one. Yeah. Are you ready for relocation? If
Yes, sir. I'm willing.
if you get your posting in some unknown rural place and you do not know the local language, how will you pitch our products to them?
Yes, I'm willing to relocate. I have an experience of studying my graduation and post graduation in different parts of India. So I have an experience in various dealing with people of various backgrounds and of various languages. So I think I will be able to know as to how I can be of help to them. And I will also make sure that if it's a new language for me, I will learn it, and I'll do what is best for my part. So I don't think relocation will be a problem to me.
You can tell I will follow the books like learning 30 language in 30 days, or follow YouTube channels, or take tuitions if necessary, or seek assistance of colleagues and then improve.
Okay, sir.
Good. Can you please tell about numerical data relating to Federal Bank? Whatever you remember as on 30th June 2023.
Okay, sir. So the total deposits of the banks have been increased, and it stands at 2,22,400. The profits have been
2 lakhs,
increased by about
no,
43.
listen,
Yes, sir.
2,22,400 rupees. Tell me, is it one,
Yes, sir.
is it only
Two,
2,22,400 rupees? In
Uh,
crores. In
yeah,
crores.
yes, sir, crores. Yes, sir, crores.
You
Two
must
lakh 22,400
you must
crores.
remember to speak, or you first tell I am giving the figures in crores, then tell them only in lakhs. It's better to tell in everything separately. So many lakh crores.
Okay,
No.
sir.
Please continue.
Okay. Okay, sir. And the total deposits the total deposits of the banks have been increased to 2,22,400 crores. The total business of the banks has been increased by it, and it stands at 4 lakh 44,000 crores.
Huh?
And
4 lakhs 44,000. No, 4 lakhs 6,000 crores.
okay, sir, 4 lakh
What?
6,000 crores.
Uh, why?
Uh,
Why
and
why this confusion?
so the exact number I was forgetting
No, no.
to recall.
I have given you here very well and put it on top of the question paper itself like this. Why can't you remember it?
I'll go through it again, sir.
No, but when you add these two, I don't. It comes as very less. Total business of the bank 4.06, they say, but here they say like this. I don't know what is the mistake in this, but this is what they have given in the press release.
Yes.
Yeah. Tell me other figures.
Um, yes, sir. The total profits of the bank has been increased by 83 percentage, and the gross NPA has been reduced by 2.6 percentage.
No, no. Gross NPA has not been reduced by, reduced to.
Reduced to,
Hmm.
reduced to, yes, reduced
Then
to. Yeah.
then NNPA.
An NPA figure I'm not able to recall right now, sir.
How are you suitable for this job?
Yes, sir. My skills for this jobs are suitable because I have been uh, well equipped with skills such as communication skills, where I have excelled in speaking in various occasions right from my college days and school days. I have been assigned various tasks through various college clubs and societies, and also I have been the captain of the school. Therefore, uh, I know how to manage a team as being a leader. So, and also, I have good learning capabilities, and I can deal with a problem. I have a good problem solving skills. So,
You are leader of which team of in school?
so the school captain.
Of what? Which team?
So the overall school captain,
Acha, acha.
not
Pura,
particular
pura,
team. Yes.
pura. Oh, that is known as in Tamil Nadu. We used to call them as school people leader or something like that. Acha. Oh, you were in charge of all the things happening in the school. Great.
Yes,
How,
sir.
how
Yes, sir.
many how many children studied in your school?
Around 2000.
Oh, can you tell the achievements you have made during that time?
In my school days, each and every uh, functions of the school, be it right during that particular academic year, was undertaken by me. I had to organize all the school activities and meetings, and also represent the school for various competitions at the inter-school level, and also at the CBSE levels.
Good. Can you tell me your three best friends? You don't have to tell their full name. Tell the description about them. Three best friends. Please tell me. You don't have to tell whether it is a male or female. And
Okay.
tell what is the position that person is occupying now, and what made him your best friend.
Okay, sir. So my three best friends are Dawn, Shilpa, and Likhina. So, the first person, he is currently pursuing PhD. He is my best friend because I can be honestly open to that person, and he will not judge me or be impatient to me, but listen things in a very proper way and guide me
You are,
in a way that is required.
are you telling I am impatient? I
No,
know
sir.
I know I have been impatient because of the pressure of more number of candidates, but you are speaking very well. Continue. After Dawn,
Yeah, and Shilpa, she is also currently pursuing PhD. So she is a very good friend of mine because she very well understands whenever I am in a depressed position, even if I do not say it explicitly, but she can very well make out, and be it any time I can ask her, or she herself comes and helps me, even though it is a difficult situation for her. And third is Likhina. She is currently working as a teacher in a school. She is also a very, very open-minded and a very, very friendly person, where I can. Uh, like call her at any time to discuss any of my problems, or maybe motivate me for pursuing my things, or whenever I'm in a any problematic situation, all the three people in fact come at my help.
it's very nice. I know you are telling out of your love for them. But in interview situation, if we are going to say when I am depressed, when I am in problematic, आपको थोड़ा problem आ जाएगा. Why were you getting
Okay.
depressed? So please avoid those words and tell some other positive words to bring them into picture. Otherwise, your explanation was good. Now let me ask
Okay.
you. Please tell me 3 qualities they told you to improve. This is a real Federal Bank interview question, as thousands of questions that have been given to you. This is one among that question. 3 qualities they
Okay.
told you to improve.
Okay,
This is
sir.
a,
So one
I know,
major,
this is a trap question. This is a trap
yeah.
question. So how do you manage that is what will make you, what is the answer you are going to give for this?
One major thing is overthinking. Whenever I am assigned a task, I would like to do it perfectly from my side. So I overthink in a way that finally starts affecting me, maybe in little in a health wise, but I should be careful while doing it, even though task has to be achieved in a proper way, but at the same time I should make sure that it doesn't affect my health, because I make sure every minute
What
detail,
is your what
every
is your
minute thing should be
what
perfect.
is your father?
My father is a teacher.
Good. What is the present repo rate?
Uh, 4.60%.
Wrong. 6.50.
Six. Okay, okay, sir.
What is
Then yes,
CRR? What is CRR?
cash reserve ratio.
How much is it now?
Uh,
4.50.
it's I'm not.
Why are you
Yeah,
not thorough
4.5.
with interest rates and all? Why? You must know RBI interest rates. You must know the Reserve Federal Bank interest rates. You must know the share market rates indexes. Then you must also know the currency rate conversion. All these things you must update yourself and then go for the interview. Otherwise, you told nicely, and I will give you. Initially, I thought I should give you 9, but now after listening to the last 2 questions, I am reducing your mark to 8.5 out of 10, and I wish you the best of luck. And I request you to attend the interview with 120% confidence and come out with good, pleasing answers with a smile. Always smile. Are you smiling now or are you embarrassed now?
Yes, I am smiling, sir.
Good. You talk with a smile, you will be selected. God bless you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Good interview. I like it. Thank you.